Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can use the API tool in your AI agent. So let's get started. Simply log in into the BotPenguin account. You can open the AI agent in which you would like to use the API call tool. And after that, you have to click on the prompt option. Only here you will be getting that option to call the API. So you can decide in the prompt wherever you would like to call the API tool. And also in case if you have like specific requirement that only in this particular case the tool should work, so you can give that instruction to your AI agent and the API tool will work accordingly. So how you can call it? Simply you have to type slash over here in the prompt section and you will get this option of API tool here. You get this option of API request. You can click on it and you can select the API that you have created on your BotPenguin account. Let's say I have this option. I can give the prompt when to use this API call. So let's say I will give the random prompt here. If the customer provide the details, please use this API call option and get the details of the customer and provide. Let's say I just have this option as of now, so I will update it from here and it will look like this API request. So you can use this API tool as per your requirement. Wherever you want to use this API tool, wherever you want to request an API in with your AI agent. So this is how you can add that API request option in your AI agent, and you can click on the update option after that. So your API tool will work fine as per your requirement. So this is how it works, and if you have any queries for the same, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.